Hello viewers, the topic for today's discussion is about applicability of late fees for delay in filing GSTR. Now to understand this, I have divided into three parts. First, what is the applicable late fee? Second, whether GST portal is calculating on it. And third, what is the recent update? Okay, so say for example, I am filing GSTR 1 of October 21. Due date was November 21, 11th. However, I filed on 15th of November, delay of 4 days. Now my query, whether registered person is liable to pay late fee or not for the delay of 4 days. Now to understand this, we have to read one notification. Notification number 19/2021. The late fee is applicable in 4 categories. Say during the month, my GST liability is nil. Total turnover is nil. Total amount of GST payable is nil. Then maximum late fee applicable is only rupees 500 per return. 250 CGST, 250 SGST. If my turnover is greater than 0, but it is below 1.5 crore, up to 1.5 crore in the preceding financial year, then what is the late fee applicable? Late fee is 2000 per return. 1000 CGST, 1000 SGST. If my turnover in the preceding financial is greater than 1.5, but up to 5 crore, my late fee applicable per return will be 2500 CGST, 2500 SGST. But if my turnover is greater than 5 crore in the preceding year, late fee applicable is 5000 CGST, 5000 SGST. So this is how the taxpayers are required to pay late fee, whether for GSTR 1 or GSTR 3B, late fees is applicable. Okay, now see what happened. I am a registered person. Every month there is a delay in filing GSTR 1. Okay, my query, whether GST portal was calculating, any late fee, answer is no. All the registered person were not paying only late fee if there was delay in GSTR 1. Okay, now there are certain improvements in GSTR. There is one important update. If I upload GSTR 1 after due date, late fees will be auto-populated, not in one, but while filing GSTR 3B of that particular month. So GSTR 1 में नहीं आएगा auto-populate. जब आप 3B उस month का भरोगे, तब you are required to pay late fees. For this, I will explain through one case study. Say I am required to file GSTR 1 of October 21. Due date was 11th of November. I filed on say 15th of November. Now late fees will be auto-populated, not while filing GSTR 1, but while filing GSTR 3B of October 2021. So this facility is introduced. That's why GSTR 1 has changed a bit. So please, 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 all the registered persons, I request all of you, if you have delayed in filing GSTR 1, then open your 3B in this month. You will get the late fees auto-population. Maybe in this month or in subsequent month, this is going to happen. Okay, so please do not delay in filing GSTR 1. I hope you have loved this lecture. I will keep sharing such updates. Thank you so much, each and everyone. Goodbye. Take care.